I've been working on the railroad all my lifelong days. Well, hi, my name is Jeff Barlett. Today I'm going to teach you how to play I've Been Working on the Railroad on the acoustic guitar. So this is going to be a very easy beginner song. In fact, this is might even be the first song you might learn because it's very simple. You're going to play it with 3 major chords, which is a G chord, a C chord, and a D chord. And we're going to play it in a simple 4/4 strumming pattern. So it's going to be in 4/4 timing, and we're just going to do 4 simple down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the first verse, what we're going to do is we're just going to sing, I've been working on the railroad, in a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, all down strums, okay? So let's practice the chord progression for the first verse, and it's all going to be 4 down strums, okay? So we're going to start with a G chord, and it's going to go 4 down strums. I've been working on the railroad. So 4 down strums on G, and then we're going to switch to C. 2 down strums on C. All my life, switch to D. Long days. And then we're going to go back to G. 4 down strums on G. I've been working on the railroad. And then we're going to go to D, okay? Just to pass to G, time away. So if you notice 2 down strums on D, and then 2 down strums on G. And that's going to be the first and second verse for I've been working on the railroad all my lifelong days. Same for can't you hear the whistle blowing, rising up early in the morning. So the same part is going to be the same strumming pattern and chord progression. So now let's work on the pre-chorus of the song that goes like this. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? So that's going to be 2 G strums. Dinah, won't you blow? To C. Dinah, won't you blow? Back to G. Dinah, won't you blow? And then to D, 3 strums. Your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? So that's G, G, C, C, G, G, D, D, D. So now let's work on the last part of the song, the chorus. And it's going to be the same for someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, someone's in the kitchen I know. The same is going to be for fee-fi, fiddle-i-o, fee-fi, fiddle-i-o. It's going to be the same strumming pattern and chord progression. So we're going to go from G to C to G, and then to D to G. So pay attention when we get to the D to G parts. So when we go, someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, we're going to start with G, and we're still going to do that 4 down strum pattern. So it's going to be G, 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 and then to C. C, 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 all 4 down strums, and then back to G. G, 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 G. Now this is where things change. We're going to go to D. Down, up, and then to G, down, 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 for strumming on the old banjo. So again, to D, down, up, to G, down, down, down. So let's practice this. So we're gonna go from G, someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to C. Someone's in the kitchen I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to G. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to D. Strumming on the old banjo. Down, up to G. Down, down, down. And it's going to be the same for singing fee-fa, fee-la-yo, fee-fa, fee-la-yo, fee-fa, fee-la-yo. Strumming on the old banjo. And now you know how to play I've Been Working on the Railroad on the acoustic guitar. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and God bless.